Today we're going to be building LEGO Icons set 10339, the Santa's Post Office. This is part of the annual Christmas set that is released every year by LEGO. This one looks really cool and I'm excited to build it, so let's get started. we finished LEGO Icon set 10339, the Santa's Post Office. This is the new Christmas set that's released every year for 2024. Set comes with 1,440 pieces and retails in the US for $99.99. This set does come with 5 minifigures. There's Santa Claus, as well as 3 elves and a mail worker in this set. There's a lot of different accessories or elements to this in addition to the actual post office itself. So there's a tree with a couple of gifts on it. There's a sign for, 2 signs here with some stickers on it for the post office, the clubhouse, and the workshop, as well as a mailbox. There's also 2 mail carts, as well as a this is kind of a cool thing. You can drop mail in here, and there's actually it is part of the back of the set. There's a for the mail delivery here, a skier, and then this is a small little pond for ice fishing, which is a nice little add on there. The top of the light goes on and off here for the air balloon, and then you can actually just sort of pull it off if you want to. It does come off very easily. There's a couple of mail items in the middle there, which is a cool little element. I think, unlike you think of a post office, but I mean, I think they use the air balloon obviously to deliver the mail in and out of the post office, as opposed to because it's in the North Pole, so that's probably the way that they get the mail around. The front door here does open to the mail, to the post office, and then there's a few windows here, some nice leaf elements here, and then these instruments up here. I like this design they have up here, as well as the overhang for the roof. There's a chimney over here. This does not light up over here on the right. And then, of course, there's various different snow elements here with some slope pieces that are around the windows and certainly around the front there. So looking at the back here, so this is the Santa's chair with some mail there. There is a cool little thing, so you could drop the mail over here and it will come out the middle here, so you can also drop it back here, and it also does it there. The other element that you have is this accessory where you can drop the mail with this way. Basically, it tags on there, and you drop the mail, and then the mail comes out on the side with the lever here. And then just over here on the right is a couple mail pieces, as well as a mail bag, and what looks like a little cupboard there for pantry. And then up top here is, of course, again, more mail for writing mail as well, and letters. I guess I'm a little surprised at the size. I thought this set would be a little bigger. I suppose that, most of the set, there was a lot of small pieces. Most of it was obviously system building, but there were quite a few small pieces to add the details and the elements of this set in here. And of course, the light brick with the air balloon is a nice touch as well. But compared to older sets they've done the last couple of years, I still think that last year's set with the Winter Lodge was a really nice set, and I think that was a little bigger than this, but it was just the way they designed that one was cool too. But again, I mean, it's a good idea. I think that it's unique in that it's obviously not something they've done before, but it's very similar to the other Santa sets that they've built in the past. Just looking at the manuals here, so this is the first one, which puts all the little accessories, the tree, the mail processing carts together, and then the second one is the main one. There's 10 bags in this, or I believe it's 9 bags, and it's just a little bit under 100 and just a little under 200 pages in this set. There is a little introduction here to the set. They talk about the North Pole office, as part of their 2024 office, their Christmas set, and then it gets right into the build with bag 3. There aren't many stickers in the set. There were just a few pieces that were used. None of the mail pieces, the 1x2 tiles, they all were pre-printed with mail, but there was a few primarily in the back, as well as here on the little signs that did have the stickers on them. So this set does take a little detour from previous the last two series Christmas sets. The last two were kind of based around the theme of, like a Christmas village or Christmas town. So this one is a little bit different from that, kind of going back to the sets that they built just a few years ago. But I do like it. I think that, again, it's a unique idea, and I love the design elements, the way you design the sloped roofs, and then this, of course, the air balloon is a really nice touch to this one. The minifigures are pretty standard. We've seen those before with other sets, but all the little accessories, and there is some functionality too, which is nice. So I definitely think, again, if you're a fan of all the Christmas sets, you'll enjoy this. Certainly for $100 for 1,400 pieces is a pretty good deal. So I don't have any concerns there. But I did enjoy it. I think if you've done all the ones in the past, you'll definitely enjoy this one as well. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I'd appreciate, again, you clicking on like and subscribe. And once again, I appreciate your support, and thanks for watching.